In this tutorial today, it's part of my Summer Essentials series, I'm going to teach you how to make a cooling roller. You can carry this in your purse, in your backpack, you can take it with you camping, if you're at an athletic event, out on the water, and women, if you're of the perimenopausal, menopausal age, you want to keep one of these in your purse. So 2 oils that are wonderful for cooling the body are doTERRA's Peppermint Essential Oil, and I also love Aromatouch. So we're gonna combine these 2 in a roller. You're gonna use 10 drops of each in a 10 ml roller. Top it up with fractionated coconut oil. Give it a little shake and then apply to areas of the body that are gonna help you cool down. So this could be pulse points, back of neck, back of legs. Sometimes I just like to roll it in my hands and then apply it. You do want to avoid the eyes, up the nose, or in the ears, but this cooling roller is going to help you on those hot days. A secondary bonus is that bugs don't like these aromas, so they're going to stay away from you a little bit more when you have this blend on. And I do have another video about bug, flea, and tick repellent. The third bonus to this roller is you can use it if you have headache or head tension. So you just roll on the temples or anywhere you have your head tension going on, back of neck, wherever that is, and you can calm that sensation. So I hope you found that quick, easy tutorial helpful. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. This is part of my Summer Essentials series.